pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Morning, Sens!
Happy last Friday of May.
3 weeks of school left until summer break.
Or graduation for all.
I'm Yasmin.
I'm Chris.
I'm Tien.
I'm Angel.
And I'm TJ.
And we're your anchors for today.
April is Poetry Month and Arab American Heritage Month. Come to the library to celebrate. Find a book of poetry to enjoy or books focusing on Arab American culture.
Summer break is just 3 weeks away. It's time to lock down your summer job. The Magnolia High School Work Center has new hours to better serve you. Stop by the MHS Parent Center at any Thursday from 2:30 to 5 p.m. They offer help applying for jobs, resume building support, interview practice, and skill building, and info on local job postings and job fairs.
Hey, Sens, remember to return your library books. All books need to be returned by May 8th. Seniors, you will need to return your library books to be clear for graduation.
Again and again, I love, 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 I love. I've been so busy, but now that I'm alone, where did you go? Tell me why.
On February 28th, 17 teams from the Anaheim Unified School District competed as a part of the Community Health Explorer program sponsored by TGR Learning Lab, Providence Medical Group, and No Crop. Students had to create an action plan to help give back to the local community, with an emphasis on helping with access to healthcare or mental health. The winning team's presentation was Kia, keeping information accessible.
Seniors, if you're interested in the upcoming Senior Luau on May 9th, tickets are now on sale for $35. Do not miss out on this amazing event filled with food, live entertainment, and dancing.
Our cap and gown walk is on Monday, May 19th. Seniors, if you haven't secured your graduation gear yet, it's time.
On February 20th, we flew out to Reno, Nevada to compete in a drawing competition with other schools in California. The Army paid for everything. Our meals, which included breakfast, lunch, and dinner, was paid for. We were taken out to restaurants, really nice places to eat, and a lot of memories were made.
JROTC program is such an amazing program that it was just an honor to even be involved, and to see these kids in a new element outside of school was amazing.
Magnolia Art Show. I cannot.
Sing it like that.
Hamilton.
It's the Magnolia Art Show. It's happening this coming Wednesday, April 30th, in the quad behind the art room. Come out between 5 to 7 p.m. to see the phenomenal work, or
if you want to do a version where you sing really bad on purpose, that sometimes happens.
hey,
I sometimes do that.
The Magnolia Art Show is happening.
Yeah.
The Magnolia Art Show is happening this coming Wednesday. Hey.
Today is the day FNO will be selling Dubai chocolate for only $5. Stop by the front of the Parent Center after school. Be there or be square.
That's it for today, Sense.
Have an amazing Friday.
Mag TV over and out. Ah, my leg.